So my people, me have two live me I go share with you know. One with RT Boss and the woman where I deal with Ivany thing, you know, she named Queen. She did up on Ivany live last night. Somebody clicked the live and she did on the live. You know what I mean? But me never really did stick around. Me go up on the live and me see say I know Ivany, me just jump off one time. You see it? So it look like say RT Boss not trust her. You know what I mean? So them kick off. We're going to get into that. And then R0Sealee come for Shebada, wicked people, and rub out Shebada. Tell him some whole heap of things. I don't know, say R0Sealee mouth bad. You see me? So, we're going to hear what RT Boss officer, and then we go over to R0Sealee. See?
On the live, we tell her what we do and we tell her what we do and all sort of thing. But anyway, all right, the moral of the story is we get, me I'll chat some more with them in the next sense. But the thing what I want to ask you though is, we're not questioning the business, but where do we go from here where you say you have your liar and, right. And when you say when I do the thing, and even though Ivan, because this is what I want the fans to do. Right. Let me break it down. Let me go in right here. Ivany don't have anybody, as you are aware of. Ivany by himself. People like me and you, everybody are running. So the fact that everybody are running and try to, she just have to open up and try to get the little help. Taya running and she get that whole option. Yes. Them running. Them get that option. Me don't want the option for. So me I run faster than I run into. Since me always I cast judgment in the sense that me know we are gonna take it on. So if you are with me, we are collect money, we are gonna get a liar even when we are gonna stop. When we pay a liar and the liar come and say, here what me know. If I body that right then we can't slow down.
But you're saying that a lawyer that was retained. That what you're saying?
Huh?
You're getting another lawyer from the
because
lawyer.
Because I don't trust school, I don't know what to say.
All right. How do I tell you? You see?
It's a bit confusion going right here. So, because this is why me override you at night now. Ivany saying, call me, you are saying you talk to her a while ago, and Ivany never said she want to speak to me.
So if you get message that Ivany wants
tell you that the lawyer that I got was the same lawyer that you guys spoke to. Would you believe me?
Then that's why I say so no so come me know say 85,000 so they same lawyer that me go pay to.
RT, can I ask her a question? RT,
no.
Can I ask her a question?
Yeah, ask her a question.
Nat, can I ask you a question? You're breaking up. Nat. Nat.
It's the same lawyer.
Nat, can I ask you a question, please?
Sure.
So the same lawyer we had called initially, right? Mm-hmm. That's the same lawyer had retained.
I retained that lawyer, not knowing. Today I found out from the lawyer that you guys had reached out.
Okay. And when we retained that,
what a coinkydink.
Us $5,000 to go to do the entire case. Did you know that?
He sent me a retainer for $5,000.
All right. Fuck liar. Talk about that now. Leave him.
I have to. No, let me clear it up because, like you said, you guys want.
Because we know people go and know him name and call him down and one back.
No, I'm not revealing the name.
I also got a retainer for $5,000. Today I received that new retainer for $8,500.
But okay, Nat. So Nat, would you say that that a mistake was made initially in hiring the first lawyer because we were trying to hire that lawyer? So would you say a mistake was made?
I felt like the right persons didn't handle the situation.
And that me fear for happening again. Anyway.
That's what created the problem. Too many different moving parts. Too many people was trying to get an attorney. And that's how that falls. That attorney that was hired to begin with should have never been hired.
Okay.
Why?
Yeah, but listen up. People, when we want to understand. Big up to Queen running. And I get look at everything as natural. I saw it go and she had with an heart. But at the end of the day is my thing. Me not trust nobody again.
Holy.
We have run the charity program.
Which
and
is
when we
totally
realized
fine.
Ivany, they know what to do. Ivany, in the sense of if anybody come now, we would say yes. And we need the right people and the right help. So if we have a help, it need to be a good help. So the question me I ask now, bring us PayPal, my cash app, but she said she have a liar, don't get me wrong, you know. But at the end of the day is if I could go back for refund back on the money, I go refund back on the money. Because at the end of the day is why me I emphasize, because I honestly feel like that $8,000 end up here. I don't know why my ID. You have to show me receipt and tell me nice because me don't know why your ID. Because I lie have waited Friday and me can't wait a longer.
Oh no, I mean.
Well, show me receipt and then me. People, me not feel comfortable I work with her, no. Me not lie.
So work on your own.
You know why we're like this?
I totally get it. I've been watching some of the days and I've been seeing what's going on. I cannot make you comfortable with me. My friend is comfortable with me. And that's why she asked me to do the live, and that's why
Ivany not comfortable with that blood clots, man. Ivany don't need help.
RT, make we deal with things on an intellectual basis and not. We not forget ignorant about this.
No, me don't. Me interblood the clot.
Well, if you are dunce, that means that you are no better than the people that you're calling dunce on the live.
Exactly, that's why my class was dunce. Because me a president with dunce, me interblood clot electoral.
Well, anyone not a dunce want to communicate with me, they can do so.
But Taya, the thing about Una now, Una have this thing about Una where everything is out in the open right now. Meaning what's supposed to be out there is already out there. What's the reason for the tight slip and the dropping, the having us like on this roller coaster? These
because
people...
that's what you say, let me know what they do, because when they either public blood clot record, you Google, you see tomorrow, them bomb clot and educated mouth.
Why you guys feel like someone is hiding something?
Because we...
Boy, people, this is nothing but a roller coaster ride. No joke thing about it. People, as me say, when I consume them thing off of the internet, consume it with a grain of salt. You know what I mean? Don't go talk like say this is the gospel. You know what I mean? Coming from the Bible. And we know what go on with the Bible already, so don't believe everything on the sip on social media. Yeah. But John, my people, this been going on for so long, and you tell me say nobody give us a straight story. Nobody at all for give us a straight story. Come on, man. Them say too much rat never dig a good hole. And it looks so to me. You know what I mean? And I see Ivany mugshot the other day. Is it? But because what someone here RT boss have to say, it's like somebody knew every time in the picture. Somebody knew every time in the picture. You see me I say, and we not get no answer. I don't know if you say about these people. Let me know what you think in the comments. Make watch some more.
We've been through this. We just come off a roller coaster. The whole of we just come off our roller coaster. And for you come tell with this you know, how we should take this, you understand? It's what? Very crazy. So what RT is saying, we would like to form our whatever that is.
He said go ahead.
And over all information to it and take a back seat. And that not happen.
Okay, I'm glad you're aware that that would never happen.
Exactly.
But
what's
Queen,
the second option? Because I will not be turning over anything.
But
to you.
Queen.
The second option is go for.
Which is fine. I can do that also.
All right, Nats, one question. Nats.
Taya, send message come tell me. Queen, listen, let me tell her this. Taya, send message come this evening, say me must leave it alone. After me say, my associate / co-worker with 2 more charges upon her name. Me must leave it alone. If I did me or RT over there, so I'm sure no say Ivany would have tried for
English, but these people just sick stomach.
Okay. But that's one question.
So
why
rude.
when the attorney call you today and say, even before we bring this to live, even before anything was mentioned, we said to you, like, can we have a phone call behind the scenes and let's see how we can work this?
You didn't say that to me.
No, we said that to the attorney and you declined. Whoever the attorney is, somebody's name is Ivany.
Black everybody
right?
was saying disrespectful, moderator. Black all in one person was saying disrespectful. Black them for me.
But you are.
It was even live. We because the attorney contacted me and said, "Oh, you took up, blah blah blah." Because we contacted that attorney the night, right? And they called back because they was keeping up with this whole thing all over the weekend with me and Miss Blinger. So today when she called and said, "Oh, somebody came to visit her and blah 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 blah," so we said, "All right, if that person really gonna do it, can we work together behind the scenes?" But you guys declined.
Listen to me. The bottom line is they don't have no money and then blood clot don't know what they are doing.
And the attorney did say you guys can't pay till Friday.
Ivany need help. That's bottom line. Because a few idea, few liar, listen, them
I never recommend the liar to the girl. She find the liar.
And decide to them are running. All right, we know everybody look at it, but don't get it already. I'm a lead. Me continue run with it. We continue. Ivany, me gonna do what me and do. Me don't need you. You do what you are do too. Simple.
That's fine.
That's it. So we now go work. I'm not trust you. Me go and take the money back.
Mr. RT, you don't have to trust me. You don't have to trust me. It's that simple. I'm not
because the liar don't get paid.
I'm not going to tell you.
Exactly.
Because only if trust you when the liar stays, they don't get in blood clot money. You have to say pay a liar.
People that want to run off for the life and whatever. But
all right, show me a receipt. No one a liar information.
You're not letting me get my point.
Where receipt?
You're dealing with arrogance, and I'm not about that. If you want to have a conversation with me, I am open to having a conversation. But if you think that by speaking to me like I am a nobody or speaking to me in such a manner, I should agree to work with you. Why would I want to work with you when you're disrespecting me? I never came on here disrespecting you.
Fuck you and fuck everybody.
Same cut off the woman, I can't.
Suck out to the mother on the highway and the bye-bye too. Gonna feel like me not work with none of you. The whole blood clot let down now wicked. She not name nobody don't know you. So me don't know how you come and go and like say when important you go suck on my
and next thing. She's another tight-lipped also because if we ask you for a receipt, the fucking thing that you have to do is prove to us that you pay. That you pay the money. Can you prove to us that you pay the money? Because when we to the liar, people send this.
Me take you down and me run your way.
Them put her on a roller coaster from last week. Someone on a cook dinner on the house, someone on a bed, someone on a get to go and work on a call out just to watch this. Them put me on that roller coaster. Right? Moderator, I think
me now go back on it.
I think we need some more moderator for times like these. All right, so listen, guys. Everything is out in the fucking open now. She's still being tight-lipped like blood clot, like tire. We come take, we dash, we all boats. We're big people, we're not a robot, we must think, we don't know head, we don't want answers.
But listen, let me show you, I'm tell you, a big waste blood clot people. Let me tell you the situation, people. I never look after the case. They don't pay the blood clot liar yet.
Listen,
commercial break. Laugh to blood clot, laugh. Because I'm coming and I understand it. You see why woman can't show me blood clot. You can't wait for Friday. Remember me tell you, remember me no $8,000. Remember me tell you, woman on a broke, who not slow up the case. That's why I get ignorant. I don't feel like I hype. You see that slow woman that slow up the case. Yes, you want. But at the end of the day is the brokenness has slowed it up. Who want to move fast, who want to move quick. Blood clot that move liar Tuesday.
Listen what she say. This is how they talk. The money being paid. That's how them talk. Listen, the money has been paid. You say, all right, I could see the receipts that the money has been paid or something. Then she go say, like, and money was paid. Did you guys hear that part?
No money, no paid. But listen,
yes, I heard that.
If she said, at the same lawyer, where only that get, you know, I get, I said,
And then,
so hold on, why the lawyer go say, he don't get no money? When him want the case like honey.
And listen, guys, how we know the lawyer.
Maybe
listen
why we are talking.
We're talking is our lawyer from the beginning who has been watching this fight from the beginning. I don't remember. And listen why we can talk like this, guys. We speak back to the lawyer again. Was it today or last night, TikTok lawyer?
No, she called me this. They called me this morning. Because they was actually what happened. You know, it was like God. She was trying to contact somebody for them, and she called me. Thought it was me.
We should have asked her when did the money pay. When did she say the money paid?
No, I spoke to her up to this afternoon. The money was not paid. The last thing she heard.
All right, you see, guys, listen. That's why them don't want we not eat. But Ivany asked for the boss and want the boss number. I want to talk to the boss. But I don't know why you cut up that splice for either because you're confused. You know, you need to play that part where Ivany.
No, bling is for... Alright, this is what I understand. Me nah style thing is like... Me even play it a while ago, me shouldn't play it. It's like this, me not feel comfortable. Because I know say me not feel show up them, so me don't want to play. Yeah, me play one.
Everything is out in the open right now. Ivany knows say me you over here beg money for help her. Me I tell you this straight. And the next thing, guys, look at this. Listen good, coming. I'm bash a soul, you know. I just want to listen. How much?
Why, my people, roller coaster ride. You know what I mean? And the suspense, I don't know, that drive me crazy. Because these people come out every minute with a different person that represent Ivany. Why not RT boss? Why not somebody which you know? We can tell we say, yes, I hear from Ivany. Every time it's a third party. You know, say rare, this and that. Oh, Blinger say, RT boss play some voice note or whatever. Me not hear it. So I go see if him I go play it again. So that me hear what Ivany say. You see me? Cause, boy, people, I don't know if you're saying this still, but every minute liar no get no money. Every minute liar no get no money. At the same thing them say with Ivany friend, say she never pay the liar. No, this a person and them say never pay the liar. So if everybody will join in and them person, some of them person when me see I come up, you don't know them from nowhere. You understand? Why not somebody who Ivany close with? You know, go try deal with the situation. You know what I mean? Every minute of somebody else where nobody no know. This new person named Queen, CRT boss them say this person and them not really trust that person. You know me I say? So why them not control everything? Yesterday me hear them say them did I go take over the case and everything. So why not? Why them not take it over already? Every minute of somebody else and them now pay the lawyer, them now do this, them now do that. Boy people, this is a I don't know if it says like a mad house to rotted. You see it. Hopefully the youth are right still, cause you know what I mean, the baby are the main concern. You understand what I say? The baby is the main concern. That me have to say. You see it, and fishy reunite with our youth. You know what I mean? So hopefully that happen soon. So make we What some more?
Of this one I go take. How many of this wanna go in blood clot take?
We're tired of you are
when she today, you heard what she said. And then Taya did come tell her they say Ivan is okay and don't need a lawyer. People, what a blood.
That's why I say listen to nobody else. Bling.
What a blood clot liar about said Ivan don't need a lawyer when Ivan in a prisoner ball. And I say, all right, let me walk them through this little bit. Ivany don't need a lawyer, she's okay. Ivany is okay. Listen, how the fuck Ivany don't need a lawyer? Ivany is okay when this morning, our lawyer that they claim that they got now, our lawyer from the jump, we had a lawyer, I remember Chubaka Taya come RT shut that down and we pass that. Cause them said them have them lawyer, right? Now, let us check this out. Me now say, I want to know listen good comment, can be idiot too. Nats has been in and out of the blood clot live, watching the live and watching us from the time. The whole clot them has been here watching us. Now, Taya can never blood clot come on this live and clarify anything because Taya is just not an authentic individual. Now, Taya gone through the door, that's fine. Ivany said in her voice note that Taya...
People sometimes, this is some things that me I wonder like, how some people allow them name for spread out there with certain thing when I good for them name. You know what I mean? All them allow that for happen. You know think of a clout or what cause you know what I mean, I don't know if you say.
Oh yeah, fuck up everything. Did you guys heard that?
Everybody will come here.
You guys heard that? It done by Ivany convert and say, tie off everything. You don't get that. So you realize, oh, Blingers and RT and everybody else ready is genuine.
All right, so we're going to take and walk on through the thing. Because Taya knows say, all we do over here is win, win, win no matter what. Taya don't want it to make the news say, Bling and RT did this.
They're so positive.
We don't. Anybody?
Time
listen good. Our lawyer told us this morning that she wants $8,000 because Korea deal with, be a Korea deal with. That's what our lawyer told us. That's what the lawyer from the beginning, from the get-go. We said to ourselves,
anyway, and people
okay,
like,
no problem. You'll get your $8,000, but we have to pass that because some little thing are going where they must say, Ivan, when them come tell we say, Ivan, you have a lawyer and she's okay. So we put the lawyer on pause, a blood clot again. Now I was showing the people. We put the lawyer on pause again today. Then we hear now say somebody called the lawyer about the case and tell the lawyer tell them price again, the $8,000. And them said them are going to pay the money Friday. Them tell the lawyer said them are going to pay the money Friday, people. Friday, this Friday. That's what they tell the lawyer, right? Mm-hmm. Me don't know where the 500 coming, my love. Me don't know that I wanted $8,000. Me know.
Boy, people are be go around a circle, merry go around. You know what I mean? Somebody say, somebody tell, somebody did. If you see say the people them where trust for do certain things, not do it and you not get the right information. If you willing for help, what you do? Get your own lawyer and send it. No matter if a 10 lawyer did it already. Get your own lawyer. Send in your lawyer. And make your lawyer give you information. So you can come and say, my lawyer tell me that this and that and that and this. You see me I say? That ride very long. So we are going to just watch one little piece more, then we go over to R0Sealee, my people. I want to tell more anything about all of this while go on now.
My love, so I don't know where the 500 come in. So anyway,
But Miss Blinger,
yeah.
so they say in the comments say not say a 5,000 she pay this afternoon.
But I never that not said earlier. Not say the money is already paid. You never hear.
But when the lawyer called the money, them they want a whole $8,000 one time.
Right. All right, listen, let me break down this. People, here I am, because I don't want to get
She
confused.
did say it was put off till
When
Friday. 3 of them came to money.
Lawyer, no, what you were talking about was when me and Bling decided, so we are going to beg, that was the first lawyer we decided, saying what? Take it up. And I say it's a serious case. He was the one who instructed me and say, let me go now and get her before the ice them. You understand? I take the money, say, she twing the tongue her wear out and trick with her good language, say she a bright girl, so she know what she a do. So because we believe that she a bright girl and twang her wear out and think that she know what she a do, Taya go get different liar, and the liar with Taya she have give her so she just use Ivan if you just bring her through. That she take the money, give the man. And the man, whoever the person is, now say a man, and them represent Ivany for the one day.
Auntie, them never represents Ivany.
No, man, yes. No, well, no, I get it. Listen, I get information that a lawyer with tire money look like it. Not gonna say I like it. Look like it, contribute to the lawyer, but the lawyer do them thing and go there and represent at the first time and no go back and no go nowhere. So look at the liar, watch too and see as that thing go on.
I say she never represent her. Let me tell you how it go, cause it's obvious you don't know.
And that way me get
It was a she, it was a he. How I go on?
story too. May I say to you, I heard from the same Ivany video that the lawyer come and the lawyer do one time and no come back. You know, just hear Ivany say from the lawyer come, the lawyer no come back. She said she a come and she no come back. You know, your lawyer
Yes,
say,
Ivany did say that.
Your time now. Your time now.
Listen to me.
Liar, so
Yeah,
for free.
you see that tight lip fucking something you with them I deal with. Me not depend that, you know. Me not depend that with them. You asked her to show you the receipt where the money was paid because the liar said them say Annette say. The liar say Annette say. No Annette? Yvette say Friday.
But here what happened? Okay. The comment is saying she said she paid $5,000.
Retainer fee.
English.
The
If they
lawyer
don't
said
pay
he don't want no retainer. That's what the lawyer
Yeah,
said to me when he said want the whole line money. It was 5,000 initially,
Yeah.
but the
Wait
lawyer
a minute.
said he want the whole 8,000.
Queen Bling, make we get to the point. Me not move and me not have all night. People, listen
Yes.
now. Only get to understand say the same liar.
Exactly,
All right,
you
you
must
boil
say.
down to say the people that I work with nuts. When you realize say the same liar.
just drag
Not
him
say she pay him,
shit.
me say she don't pay him. And that me not like no, you know, because money I tell lie. That's why I start cuss out in blood clot for a man. Because me can't take the lie road again because I'm me and the lie victim. So what
Our
me
team.
plan for do now is me I get the money. I'm gonna give the liar.
But that's what needs to be done.
I'm going to ask the liar. May I beg you one fan's receipt? Something can say.
For sure.
I am working for Ivany. People out there who, whatever. Just something for that. You can't do that because I love it and I watch it. And that them people here for work with will love the sauce and the boost, know how to boost. So God are working at the favor of the liar, love the sauce. So the end of the day is, to all me see them not have the money and the liar want move, Because them been want to move free. So we want to find the money tonight. So if we don't want to donate, we don't donate in the PayPal and so forth. The big people we make the thing $100, $50 so forth. No joke. One thing with me, maybe show you the money spent away from the 150 where my thief. No, all the 150 where we go where my thief is. When we collect the money and we just start to collect the money, we play the bail band now when we have everything all right. You see me? Taya, come now, I say. Yeah. She's out, guys. Don't collect no more money, don't collect no money away. So when I check it up, me just start collect and reach 150 something. Well, this I might look for pension and money. I know when me see her, me give it back. But when I send this at 150, yeah. So the 150 when me hold back, cause she cut it off, so that she can belly for. Me keep that till me see Ivany.
So people, hope you somehow understand something we go on here, so. Because me don't really understand it. You see me? Me just there watch like and I wonder when it go stop. You see it? When she go come out. You know what I mean? When she go reunite with our youth. That me I wonder. You see me? I say so when me know what I think in the comment section where I go over to Rosalie and hear what Rosalie say about Shebada. Alright, so make we hear Rosalie and say my people.
Them in your blood. Warm to the boy we kill you. Warm to the boy the way you want to fuck out on a drink. Yesterday me see with that blood clot back the label tear off and I want to look at something I go so. See ya every minute. Shebada you can't swallow. I had the only blood clot boy me say belch. I had the only blood clot individual when I'm human being. Miss me Rosalie say swallow ear for blood clot belch. You don't have no chest plate. You walk and swallow like you walk and swallow a lab. You walk and swallow but you don't live in a blood clot lab. You walk comfy girl too much. You know nobody? Stinky dinky roll up and fall up. Dirty scan full batty man. Boy, when nobody not drink or eat from, Shebada ever cook up a blood clot meal yet? You live on people blood clot is a cocktail and Ivany cheese. Gone are the days when you have your blood clot feeling and have none. Go suck your mama. When the day is done, your time over and limited and room, go sit down. I like young people go through the blood clot door. Chankro. You want to come for every blood clot and tell people about them careless. I am mama careless because I your mama name and get you. It. When every blood clot girl can get pitney for your money can get you. That's why you become a menace to the world. He's a menace. Your money, I'm still a little thinking boy want to be a little bit unseen, so. You want to be seen too much. Leg off of people blood clot name, man. Leg off of blood clot people name. What society scanning a blood clot, you go like you can't go all about. You go like you can't walk the whole 93 parts of Jamaica. Shebada me you can't go away. Can be a boy, and a gun salute. Remember you can't go away. Can't tell you walk up here, boy, you're here. And it's that a blood clot gun salute. Go suck your mother. You can't come for me. Me I wear nothing for you. Shebada come wrap your tongue on me like clot tamper. A first blood boy must want to see. Shebada you rotten, you steal. Come go dive back, vert back head up in your mama ban over. You drunk or shit house bowl, yo. If they want to lift on blood clot girl name like I think it cute. And you not like off your blood clot gifts in your company on TikTok. You want to be see a little bit of salt and sad. Man no want to know. I saw girl drink water, girl no sip. So girl belch, cause suck your mother. So girl drink water, girl no sip. And I saw girl belch, cause suck your mother. Go and ring out your mother. Yeah, combo gabo. And Rosalie, and well, you know, we're scandal bag. We wear anything when we want blood clot wear. I don't buy none for your family. I buy something for your batty boy. Me and you can blood clot wear the same size. Can use a blood clot nigga and I'm an anchor. And the only batty boy I never seen a woman clothes. You stay bad in a real life. And the only batty boy when I run down false see. You don't have no money. You're broke. I wear what I want to wear. I wear what I feel like. I wear what I can. Me ever come from blood clot social media come tell the girl say me somebody. Me's a beggar. Me just a come and blood clot beggar who have support from whole part girl can them like me. Me's nobody. I go about my business. I never tell a girl for video me. Me I got a body good funeral. I never tell a girl for video me and post it up. Me I got a body good funeral. I never tell the girl for video me and post it up. Me's a star. Me can hear Rosalie and see me here. Rosalie and see me here. Cute. Me's a star. Me's a blood clot star. Love me wow moment. Love me with my blood clot wow moment. You know like when a girl have no wow more than you. Me realize it's a little bad-minded, infected batty boy. Me, Rosalie, realize that you, Shebada, want a bad mind, batty boy. You don't like somebody with no star moment. You want to be you and all about you and blood clot. You and what you have to say. And if the blood clot highlight I run past you, yeah, catch it up back. You see me, I run and catch some highlight. After you come, boy, me suck you. Let me come back, boy, with a batty boy. Me not run down highlight. If you not call me there, me not soon come and vomit. You remind me of the unfortunate. If you not call me there, me not see a John Crow. Because me no want no hype off of your name. I suck your mama. You walk and bike like dog. You go like you can walk and go anywhere. You have clothes. Me see a girlfriend where they stay bad. Tell the people them say the tablet a girlfriend for. The tablet. Tell the people them say the tablet a got blood clot friend for what they the good tablet. How you did a blood clot head. You did a blood clot head. You come about blood clot, yeah. I tell you some I come here with something. I tell you some I come here rich. I come here naked, broke, bedless, job blood clotless for suck your mama. Come out from a blood clot name because you can't shut down this. We can't do this on and unless me no want answer your so code. Unless me no want answer dirty Shebada for you. TikTok for you. TikTok for you unless me no want answer blood clot you. You always want to be irrelevant. You always want to be irrelevant too much. Too blood clot much. You always want to be seen like I never Christian when they did blood clot ban.
Jano, so me don't know because the new vibes are between Shebada and Rosalie, although them been at it. Me hear she mentioned body good funeral. She must go there. And maybe Shebada see what she wear or whatever and decide and that she come back, come deal with him for. You see me I say, boy, me don't know still people. Shebada is a youth way. Me don't know. It's like him always have somebody for us. You see me? And people, as me say, you see on social media, don't take everything serious. Because enough of them people, yeah, just when you see them a cuss, it's a show them a put on. You know what I mean? Behind the scene, them a friend. So don't see them a cuss and feel like say, yo, me can do this too, you know, me can just go up on the internet and cuss everybody and make a name for myself. You know what I mean? You will get hurt. Cause I know everybody I go take lightly what you say about them. You see me? So enough of them people here, them done a friend already long time. So then get up and cuss one another. I don't mean nothing by it. Off of the internet, them a friend. You see me? I say when they come off of the internet, them can call the person and say, yo, wait. And them chat. So don't see what them I don't feel like say, yeah, me I go come on and me I go cuss everybody and me I go get famous. No, don't do it. You see me? Because just like how you watch a movie, I saw you watch them social media personality here and don't believe what them say. Because enough of them are liar. So I go watch some more people.
Like your mama never wash your blood clot head. You always want to be seen. Like your mama never wash your blood clot head when you did born. You're too enough. You always want to be seen like your mama never wash your blood clot head when you did the clot born. You're too enough. You're too look a bit enough and think. But no blood clot germs, the Batman will think up the whole place when you no poop. Why an argument with blood clot good girl? Girl will come for whatever blood clot, not back meat. Girl wanna boy and ask and fuck. Girl with pitney. What up on the internet a hustler, we know the internet like the drama. So we just do as the people them told. We not do not much. But we don't overdo it pan people blood clot name. Then me could have come out and blood clot say me a black boy Ivany Situati0N. No, we're not perfect. We don't like beat people too much. He's an internet bully, a bad mind. He's an internet bully, a bad mind. Your bad mind, yuck. Go and look for the boy we get heads. Go and go look for the boy and we buy from the shit. I own the Batman, me know Nash. You about to hold hello. Like empty room. You come bout girl every blood clot. You can't come for me. I mean angle your blood clot. I mean know so use a blood clot wipe. Me know you suck, me know you lick out batty. Me know that. Me Rosalie know you Shebada suck and lick out batty. Me Rosalie know you Shebada crumbs of the earth, which is a junk crow. Me know your name dead meat and dead carriage. Me know I be a carriage blood clot, short, shit doing the too. Me know all of the above, all of the above. Me know your blood dark. Me know you're a look infect. Tears just look a blood animal. You can't come for me. You can't come for me because you're going to tell me about it already. I live nowhere I broke. I live nowhere I come here broke. But you can't come for blood clot because a boy like you. Whether you used to hold money and have blood clot money, you couldn't want to be seen for a little TikTok. You want to be seen too much, man. And then on the internet a scam who? When I say hello today, you want $43 million. I have sent $2,000. You have sent $863 to receive it. Now we say tops and blood clot roses. You're not beg where they are do. But that's sad. Because on the contrary, and at the end of the blood clot day, me, Rosalie, could never sit up on the internet and talk about one blood clot, somebody may not benefit our fight. Ivany, cheese, Miss Blinger, World Dog. You know, so I'm not telling you, the Jody B, sexy ready, I run for them money. Release them and them can post in peace. Release the people and make them can post in peace. You know you get sexy and Jody B them and comment section them and run for them money. And data code and fresh drop. Release the people and them can post in peace. How you now watch live them and where you see on screen a card, you chat out of your filthy blood clot mouth. Shebada go turn your blood clot mouth in the time to be a shit. Shebada go turn your mouth in the time to be a shit blood clot come out there. You want to come about girl too much. Cause me now, as some know say, mankind no level this seat a go down. Because reason now TikTok. Now for the people them we say I go like them as smart them is nobody. And It does burn me out so look thinking girl I was over him life got cheer man more while. You know why? Because what? You in a better position than a girl. How comes what she do affects you? This is a troublemaker. I'm here in my life talking, I can use my hand and wipe my face anytime. I don't give a fuck. But you, Shebada, come here every day, you're not begging. Sometimes I'll 2 times, sometimes I'll 2 times for one day, 3 times for one day, click live. And you know, come here now beg. Where they are though?
Maybe that's how he making money still. Maybe meanwhile he might cost people are give him. Because, you know what I mean, not everybody want really sit down and make it look like say them want do taps and roses, then come and them do other things in disguise. Hoping forget the gifts them or whatever. You know what I mean? So maybe when Shebada cost people give him. So that's why him cost people. You see me I say? So enough people come and get them fame in a many different ways. But some people them feel like say, yo, the cussing part, then we get more support, you know what I mean? If them come cuss on TikTok or whichever platform. Because people love drama. As soon as a little drama kick off, you know what I mean? People I go and see what I want. So maybe that a Shebada niche. I saw him make a thing. Maybe if him come on TikTok and him do taps and roses, nobody now go play with him. You see me I say? Or nobody now go really he may have people who give him still, but nobody now go really want to play with Shebada. You see me I say? Because a lot of people don't like him because he might cost people from happy corner days over Instagram and thing them. Up a long time he cost people. So him know say if he come on TikTok now, him can't send nobody no match. Cause nobody now go accept no match. The man them definitely now go accept him. You know what I mean? Them accept Perry because I know we're not sure if Perry a fish. Because him never come and say, yo, him a fish. You see me I say? Nobody never see me in a woman clothes. But him actions, one time somebody did come and say, them see him sit down in a man lap, our movie theater. Somebody come and say that. We don't know what truth it is. You see me I say? So, people we more accept Perry than Shebada. You know what I mean? So, him can't go come on TikTok and come taps and roses. Because person them film play with, limited. And people now go and see him now go, not even the small TikTokers them will just come up now go and play with him because you don't know the stigma upon people who are fish. So if him come and cuss now, he may get some gift. So that time me show him fine.
People don't go over your life go ask her, what are they on TikTok for? And you're clearly you're not begging. And clearly we don't want to hear about what is on the For You. What the on the For You? If we miss the live, comment section can tell we, sexy rate can tell we, data code, we have screener card page to see what is on the live we will miss. Shebada, you're there on TikTok for? Me want to know. Because you're not beg. You're not beg, but your gifting not turn off. You're in everybody blood clot business. Where the on TikTok for? I want to know. Because make it make sense to me. What upon TikTok I do? Have anybody to ask? Have anybody ask you what you're on TikTok doing? You're not begging. You're not begging. And now I see I do I repeat what is on the for you. Shebada, you're a big man. And we are doing sickening. Some set of waste girl, careless people as though you say we are, cannot live in your head rent free. It's crazy. Some set of careless girl, living in your head rent free. He's a for you police. You need to change your name to for you police. That's crazy. I said a low life drunker like me, living in your brain rent free. Cause me go funeral and people video me go viral. Me take a viral moment. Again. And you want us me case fi catch me up. Anytime me Rosalie take a viral moment, anytime the general boy take a viral moment on TikTok, you ever want me case to catch me up? And what kind of ears you want? Forgot talk about the $13 Sheen Fraxer and the $10 boot and the piece of wig on me have on. And them wig them not fit Rosalie, them not fit you cause you ugly. Maybe you're the only Batman who can't wear wig. We never say no one wig you can't drag cause you're ugly. We see when we look for your chair, we see be a skeleton. Cause you're bone. You're full of a lot of bones and you're not chicken back. You can't wear no wig. Shebada, you need some tonic. You need some SSS tonic. You want one body booster, one body builder. And for me know you, so me know you're cranny. Me never see you move from one stage yet. For me know you, so me see you cranny. For me know you're Shebada, so me know you look a bit and cranny and think and have no whole heap of clothes. But you're more bad. For me know you, so me know you're mangy, cranny and mangy and think and not have no whole heap of clothes. I look a bit and a nine and disgusting. I like to be blood clad scene. For me know you, so me know you. Me know you're no different. You so me know you. For me know you look a bit and think and cranny. If I want dog a blood clot mange. And what do you fester up like? What do you fester up bad? Your pussy bad, what do you? And what do you full of the pus? But since you do the local show what they overseas, you get some my good tablet and come back. Since what they wanna go overseas, you get some my good retroviral and come back. Come you know you have it. I saw clippings with blood clot. You Shebada. When I do the videos around you saw round blood clot, you saw full of beer sore. Beer blood clot sore. Look like you have a gunner in a one. I mean, I know where you go out there and come back, go purr like you go purge the blood and come back. Or you're about what do you go and come back or about the eye out of RIP and come back? You don't look so sickening. You look like you can't live 24 more or no more. You look like you can't live 24 hours more. What do you crying? You look bad and sick stomach as always. But what do you look sick out, thin out, mag out? Mud corner bossy. Mud corner bossy. Mud corner bossy no blood clot. And you don't want to come to internet come class. You go sit down. You want a thinking chair. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bossy. Mud corner bust up no blood clot and white and split up. And raw. Yes, sir. Raw. Raw bad.
Yeah.
Raw bad. In our day, yeah. So when they on the live, see her every week with lip gloss. See her with the lip gloss every minute.
Why, I tell you the people. That's why I see them send off for trouble, you know. Why Shebada trouble R0Sealee when him know say R0Sealee and somebody to play with? Him know, you know. Because she always deal with him rough, you know. You see me, I say, me never really depend him live, and you know what I mean? Me not really watch Shebada still. Me not watch Shebada. You know what I mean? But me pass and see a couple clips or whatever. Me don't know how him angle R0Sealee still when him a deal with R0Sealee, but me know say R0Sealee angle him wicked when she a deal with him. You see? So me don't know why him always pick pan her. Although, as me said before, him find him niche on TikTok and it's like him have to cuss people to get him support, because him can't go on TikTok and play a match regular like anybody else. Maybe him can try to play against the people them overseas, you know what I mean? But certain Jamaicans will play with him, but him not have a lot of people who are going to play with him in Jamaica, especially people who are famous on TikTok, you know what I mean? So I could hear some more R0Sealee say.
Some of them are full of flaws and want to talk about people. It's crazy. Go and sit and go pick out the bubbles and the clip and the rhythm in it before you come about me. Go and pick out Shebada. Go and pick out the bubbles, the clip and the ribbon them in your battle before you come to me or come about me. Go and take a doctor's checkup. Go take a doctor's checkup before you come back to me and say my big and fat and shape body. But my body, my fat them bouncy. My fat them not slip off of me. You don't be look like somebody who want nourishment. Me obese I want to take off weight. When you want to gain X some pounds. If I know your two jaw board them can catch water. Your chest in your soul is a well. Your chest flat like road. You ever want come bald girl? Your neck long like garling. Your neck long like blood clot garling. And you ever want in an argument with girl? It's crazy. Remember me don't live nowhere in a sir. Me not have the bathroom, me not have the kitchen, me not have the toilet, me not have the living room, me not have the hall. Remember catch one boat and the one place all the time. So what's so special about me where you can't come off? It's crazy. Like what the fuck? It's crazy. What's so special about R0Sealee? No. Like you can't seem not to what I call it there. You can't. Thank you for the gifts, everybody. You cannot, guys, tap the screen. You cannot. Stop talking about me. Cause Shebada, you're not doing shit. What you do, all of me see you do when you call up my name, I just people to see you. Cause you know me and name at a road. You can't tell me for done coming on your platform. Go over there, go tell him for done. When girl name at to say lip and girl name like leeches is a chink. My name at Shebada. And you can't take that away from me. My name at. You're giving me an obsessed feeling. Call when me no say you call me name. How when me no remember you, me see upon before you call me name. Like we always do. If the jerk no fit me a blood clot that have nothing to do with you and you come suck me. Me wear what I feel like. Me have ambition. My life doesn't revolve around atness. Never. My life doesn't revolve about who look good and who don't look good and what look good. Me no want be a hot girl. Me want be a girl who comfortable in a mindset. That me want be in a life. Me no want be a hot girl. Me want be a girl with my mind comfortable. Until me want me can go back. Me no want be a hot girl. Me no run down hotness. Me no born for hot. Me no shape good enough. Anything me put on, anything me put on for ill and gully ride for me. Sunday evening 6 o'clock. So what if someone come? You don't look good. Or suck your mother. Anything me put on for ill and gully ride for me. 6 o'clock every Sunday evening. Me just wait and chat along my blood clot journey. Like what the it's you're crazy. You people are crazy. Sick mad pan the sick mad pan the internet. A girl wanna shape good. Shape like carrot, broad body, little belly big. How can she put on something and look good? It's crazy. Me not shape good. Me belly big. So me not going on no tights. Cause the belly don't jump over the pocket so like a shelter. The back broad. Like Johnny Bravo. Ho ho ho. So when me coulda go really put on no and it look good for me. Me not try to my girl and go along with me a blood clot go. How with the pussy clot this? Me not try to my girl and go with me a blood clot go. Now some of me a go. It's crazy. You people are sick and mad on the internet. Somebody wanna shape good can't look good in anything at all. No so now mad people. No so no one got blood clot baby got call it the free Alex and the Milo. Warm it good for gas. You're not shape good. You cheddar, you put on where you want and go on where your blood clot go. And me case it over and done. I want alone not fault and problem with people. How would they look like? Cause me not get no problem and fault with me. Me will me I want to go about my business. If it all up, me try it down. Me fix the two look of black breast them in a one brazier. Try to fling the back in it. Hold on there. GX back. GX. No. Pass the one Red Bull for me. Me try. Your bed from morning. Hold on there. Come sleep cause you're broke, you know. You don't want no broke boy with show foot alone. Come here, so. Marita black the inconvenient we broke for me now, please. Yeah, black them. Let them go leave. Cause whether me beard or not, that's still not no mad. You guys are mad on the internet. A pure mad people come on TikTok and all about Marsha Kim. Pure no mad. Guys be gonna some money go, no mad on the internet. Cause person wanna shape good. I now go by the factory default. We have to change every 5 years, every 10 years. Could I in a worries? Saki Shebada. Shebada we are in batty like a plate of food. Shebada we enjoying them in batty more than an egg sandwich. Me could I look good, sir? No, ma'am. Ma'am, me could I look good, ma'am? Shebada we blood clot willing for them. Batty more than a good egg sandwich. Me coulda look good, ma'am. Wanna be lady, me coulda look good, ma'am. In a war. When me go look good in a me no born stay good. Eh? A girl wanna born shape good can't look good in a nothing. All if she try. Remember you not have a body, you not have a hip, you not have no waist. You not have a flat belly. You not have a flat belly fat like $120 a penny. If a breast them do long, you can draw them up in a strap brazier. But me not have no blood clot, but you appear black. Me put on what I want, put on a go about my blood clot business. I'm never in no pain when I come home. Cause I don't wear tight clothes. I don't wear clothes to bungle up the belly now, nor the back. I wear them baggy like sheet.
So people, Rosalie has big facts, you know what I mean? Cause she knows she don't have the shape, you know what I mean? So why you run down the hotness? You only are gonna make yourself look more hideous. You see me? If you don't have the shape and thing, and you're gonna run down at this and at that, you know what I mean? And uncomfortable this feel look good and uncomfortable that feel look good. She only gonna make herself look like a masquerade. So just wear something comfortable and go on about your business, and that she do. You see me, hotness enough for everybody. You understand? Enough people me see around down hotness enough for them. Them just a waste them money for hotness. You see me I say? So she know say yo, hotness enough for me. So me put hotness one side and do me thing. You know what I mean? Buy things will look good and comfortable. Cover up myself and me go about my business. Because she knows say hotness enough for her. You see me? So me don't go up enough people can understand them thing. They say, yo, when something enough for you, leave it alone. Simple as that. You know what I mean? So I can watch some more.
I go but me know you're not trouble with me so good. Leave me alone. Come in a dressy impress. Me put on when me a go and go about my blood clot business as me put the clot should me no band shape good. Me band roll up and fold up and mold up. For me put on my piece of clothes and me spray my body. To keep down some of the scent which is not dead scent, me good. You nah let me go, me nah trouble you. And take it a chance you come R0Sealee. R0Sealee, come suck me. Cause me know me a Dan boy ya. General. Me know me a Dan pan TikTok general boy ya. Me know that. And people come so daily know say me a Dan and general boy. You know why me a Dan and general boy ya. And uno house a call my name for me soon, you know. Me not look pa uno. And uno call my name for me soon, me no soon. Will be literally no see a Shebada. Me a general boy yeah, because me can come for my life. Taps and roses for 2-3 months and not save you no call me name. But long as I call me name, I go answer you. Because you not go bully me pan this. You not go bully me. Because me know you's a nobody. People literally scan batty man. Society look down for your Shebada. So me know you's a nobody. People literally scan batty man. A woman that has a man, a female that has a son, now make a pin go around you. Cause me wouldn't want my pin around you. No, you's a batty boy. Society literally scan you. Me I tell you. Can't about no one tell you. Me I tell you. Worse no you have heads. If you bleed, me no want them near you. Shebada me can't you go to the same cup because you're batty like dog. When you take finish to another level. Me know you're batty like a dog. Black the moderator. You take freaking to another level. So all the while you come now. All the while you come now. Want to be seen and want to be heard. Like say, if none of your girlfriend them want them son around you, one go beg Shebada $200 a day. Which one? You like class people. Sorry. Sorry. Not even them Belgium me say now though. You like to class people. All the while I feel like you can come pick for me and bully me on the internet. And come tell me about my blood clot and wanted, picking them out the hungry and naked and want some clothes. When you can't run me for yourself. You cannot run me for yourself, Shebada, because I not leave the internet give you. Me have to come and come back one money gun and one blood clot, money gun or 2 little roses or 2 little tops. For me come here poor. Remember you once millionaire. Where do with Green Gables money? Shebada, where do with Green buy Perky? Shebada, never company that internet come back because you can't get my son, you know? You can't have my son. Cause must you know so me have a son they can't text it for me. So I know so Ivan you have one son you text it pan cheese. So I know cheese have son you text it pan cheese. Cause you know we have sons. We're young. You can't have my pity with the BSH, and your HIB, and your R and your WOO, Valley. Thank you, baby. You wanna text upon the girl with your son. Me not post mine because you can't see him. Valley. Me not posting mine because you can't see him. You wanna text upon the girl with your son. You can't get my son Shebada. That's why I come back because you can't get him. Guys, we're gonna 2 money gun, please and thank you. I'm gonna lock off my blood clot gifting when me a beat to know. You can't get my son fuck. You just lift pa Rosalie, you can't have my son. I get him 50 you. You mad? You can't get my son if he suck. You can't let my son batty hole. You mad? So go on with the chances, dirty insipid who. So that go on with the chances them. You can't get my son. You like text a pangal with sons. You like text a pangal with son. You can't get my son.
Alright, no people. Sorry I just saw me in it. You know what I mean? I want to tell more the thinking in the comment section. You see me I say? Boy. I don't know what more to say with people. You see it? But Shebada need for just chill. You know what I mean? And stop really put people pick me out there like that. This people pick me. If you're this the mother or the father, you're this the mother or the father. I just left the pick me them outside. You see me? People me notice have a habit right now. Fear this people pick me. Come on man, I want to know. Pick me off limit bridging. You see it? But let me know what you think in the comment me people. Right, just so me I go in it.